Guys, welcome once again. So now I want to believe we have already gotten our app. Maybe your own is football, your own is news, or whatsoever, whichever app you have with you right now. Okay, so the next thing now is for us to upload our app on Play Store. But before we upload our app on Play Store, I want to tell us and show us something based on the last video. On the last video, I told us that it's very fun naturally. I told us that if care is not taken, if you make any mistake, you are going to be losing money on Play console registration. Your money is going to be gone. But it's so unfortunate that steps that I used for you guys, and you guys are already sending me what's it called, you guys are already sending me screenshots, sending me messages that your Play Store have been approved. In fact, this particular one I'm using right now, this particular one is the one that was approved by one of my students. The reason is because that video that I made, it was not approved, and the money is gone. $25 is gone. Yes. Okay, let me just show us. You see, look at it here. They said your ID couldn't be verified. We couldn't verify your ID, so you won't be able to publish apps on Google Play Store from this account. If you think we've made a mistake, contact Play Store. See, this last line, it is scam. when I say it is scam, I mean it is scam. I contacted them, showed them that my ID, everything is approved, and the reason why they disapproved the ID card is because it's blur, so the details couldn't show very well. So I uploaded it the first time, it wasn't approved. So I tried to do some editing and some things to just make sure it becomes clearer. I submitted it the second time and I got this message because it was disapproved the second time. So I couldn't set up the Play Store account. But because I don't want to delay this tutorial, I'm going to use another ID card and I'm going to register through another Gmail for the Play Store. But because I don't want to delay, I don't know when the ID card that I've already put it for another ID card so that I can get better one. But I don't know when it's going to be available. I try to make sure it's available before I make this video, but it's not going to be available actually because of the time they gave to me. So I have to use one of my students' accounts to make this video. So now I'm back here and I'm going to be showing us how to create or upload our app on Play Store. This thing that I want to teach you is what people charge. No matter Admob cost, no matter the Admob cost that you take, people charge for this service. People charge for this service because they know maybe you want to create more apps. I don't know, Sha. Okay, don't let me talk about that now. So they know maybe you want to create more apps. So the more app you create, you want to upload it. So you will always they will always charge you for that. So I want to teach you so that you will be able to create app. If you can create app, then upload the app on your Play Store account. So let's get into business, guys. So this is Play Store. I want to believe you know how we got here. I want to believe you know how we got here. So you just scroll down to click on create app. Just scroll down to create to. So you just scroll down to create app. Click on create app right here. Click on create app. There's some things we have to put in place before we create our Google Console account. Before we create our Google Console account, we have to put in place what is called your app icon. You have to put in place your app icon, the icon that your app is going to be carrying when people search for it on Play Store. You have to put in place that is what we call a banner icon, app banner. So when we get to the stage I'm going to be showing us, so you have to put in place keyword research. Yeah, the keyword research should be what you are going to put on your description, because and another thing you have to understand is your app package name. It should not match any other name on Play Store. Your app package name must be different from whichever one has been uploaded on Play Store. So if your own app is let me say football all the way, there shouldn't be another football all the way on Play Store. So maybe you put your own football all the ways or football all the way plus or all plus, that kind of thing. So you have to make sure you search your Play Store to make sure there is no type of your app there. Yes. So I'm going to be showing us how to do all these things. So your privacy policy must be in place. I'll show us how to create privacy policy. Just know that you are going to be, if you don't have any website already, you are going to be needing what is called, you are going to need blogger. You're going to need blogger accounts. You're going to need free blogger account. Don't worry, I will show us how to do that for your privacy policy. And you are going to be we are going to be needing our app screenshots. So we need our keyword research. Well, I don't want to do any keyword research right now. I don't want to do any. I will teach us more about keyword research when I want to promote our app. I will teach us more about keyword research and how important it is. And you are going to see a magic we are going to perform with our keyword research, because our keyword research will actually make us more money in a secret way that you've not seen before. All right, so now the first thing we want to do is let's put our app name here. This is the name of the app I want to promote. I want to upload on Play Store: football videos and live score. So the first thing I want to check is Play Store. I want to go to Play Store to look for football videos and live score. We can see football videos and live score has been typed here. Live score, no S, live score. All right, football videos and live score have been typed here, but I'm not seeing anything like football videos and live score. I can only see football videos and highlights. So nothing like football videos and live score. So if there is no football videos and live score, that means football. This one is football highlights and videos. So if there is no football videos and live score, that means I can proceed to register my app name as football videos and live score. But if there is anything like football videos and live score, I am going to edit. I'm going to edit the ABB file that I'm going to upload on PlayStore. When we get there, I will tell you. I will tell you in case you discover your app has been registered, like the name has been registered on PlayStore already. So just don't fret. Just calm down. All you have to do is just think about another name. Maybe you are adding a suffix or a prefix. Maybe all football videos and live score, or football videos and live scores, or football videos and live scores worldwide. I don't know, something like that. So it depends on what you are uploading. So the name football videos and live score has been pasted here. So football videos and live score, English, yes. App or game? It is not a game, it is an app. If your own is a game, you put game there. So the next thing is it free or paid? Oh, this browser will not let me enjoy this thing I'm doing. So the next one is it free or paid? It is free, so I click on free. I click on free. The browser I'm using is somehow, and I don't want to change this browser right now. I don't want to change this browser. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use desktop view. I'm going to use desktop view. So I'm going to use desktop view. I'm going to switch to desktop view right now, so that you can have a clear outlook. All right, so I'm going to start all over. The name is football videos and live scores. Football videos and live scores. So that's the name there. So is it app or game? It is an app. It is free or paid? It is free. It is free. So declaration, just declare whatever thing they ask you to declare. All right, but make sure you read all these things. Myself, I did not read, but don't be like me. That's why I lost money. Well, that's by the way. So make sure you tick everything. Make sure you tick everything. Then you create your app. Check everything. Make sure it's correct. It's free. It's free. Football videos and live score, English and everything. So you create app. Click on create app right here. Okay, this is the next step. All right, so now on this page, I'm going to click this set up your app, because we want to set up our app right now. So we want to set up our app right now. All right. Set up app. All right, you can see we have to click this. All right, so now to start with, we want to set the first thing we are expected to set is our what? Is our set privacy policy. Set privacy policy. So we are going to click on privacy policy right here. I'm going to click on privacy policy right here. All right, so the privacy policy URL. How to generate privacy policy URL? Let us open a new tab. Let's open a new tab. So when you enter a new tab, click on app privacy policy generator. You search this on the search bar, app privacy policy generator. So you see it here, you click on it, app privacy policy generator. You click on it right here. You click on it right here. So it's going to take you to this page. It's going to bring you down to this page. Now I want to set this up. So awesome app name. So the app name is what again? Football videos and live score. Football videos and live score. Contact email address omikeonline@gmail.com. Personal identifiable information. So yeah, I can write external storage information. External storage information. All right, so the app type is add supported. I will click on add supported. Yeah, so the mobile OS is going to be Android. It's going to be Android. If your own is iOS, if it's both Android and iOS, you click, but I'm clicking Android because the app is for Android. So I'll leave this one as it is. Owner type is going to be individual. I click on individual. All right, developer name is gonna be Mike Online. There is something about this developer name actually, because the Play Store account I'm using, the developer name, this is not the developer name. This is not the developer name. But let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. But this is my own personal developer name, Mike Online. So let me click on here. You click on here. All right, so here we want to click on the services we are indicating. I can click Admob. I can add Admob to the list. I can add Admob to the list. Or maybe I can add Google Analytics to the list. I can add Google Analytics to the list. Probably Facebook. You know, it's not that I'm using all these things, but I'm creating this privacy policy so that I can use it. Well, anyway, if you create any app, you come back here to do the same thing. Just come back here to do the same thing. I indicated Google Analytics. It's not that I'm going to make use of users information, but in case I will be using users information on my app, maybe they are going to log in and all that, I have to create what Google Analytics, because there's going to be a column under the registration that I will need to indicate that I'm using user what is called details. So I click on next right here. All right, so we are done. So what we want to do is privacy policy. So we are going to click on privacy policy right here. So I click on privacy policy right here. All right, so I got an alternative for us, guys. So let's click on deploy to whatsoever thing that is here. You know the type of screen I'm using. So this is a strange browser, and I told us right from the beginning the reason I'm using this browser. So I click on deploy to fly whatsoever thing that is flying. So importing privacy policy. So I've already input one Gmail account like that. I click on I'm not a robot. I'm not a robot. I'm a human being. I'm an online entrepreneur. You know who I am. All right, so crosswalk. Do I know this crosswalk something? Let me just do it privately. All right, so deploy policy. Registering user with this account already exists. Oh, it's true. Yeah, I already exist. So I'm going to use another Gmail and another Gmail. So let's use our normal mic online. Mic online. All right. So in case you are unable to make limited Gmail with this, well, just let me know. I can tell you how to. Or just search Google. Check for how to create Gmail accounts, like a temporary Gmail account, just for you to get this. And All right. So I've clicked on I'm not a robot. I click on that again. All right, I'm not a robot. So I switch to desktop view so that I'll be able to get this screen. So get the link or customize. So now I can easily click whatsoever thing I want to click. So I click on click policy right here. I click on click policy. So and it brought me to this page. So this is the page. So this is the page, and what am I going to do right now? I'm going to click, or you can see what it says here: football videos and live score privacy policy. So I'm going to copy this page. guys. So this page has been copied, and that is what I'm going to paste. There. I hope you understood how I got here, right? So once I switch to desktop mode, it's because of the browser I'm using. So I just clicked on, you can see it here. So I clicked on this link right here. I clicked on this link right here. So and it brought me to this privacy football videos and live score privacy policy. You can see that. So I carry this link and I copy it, so I don't need to create any blog account or something again. So that is what I'm going to be dropping right now on my privacy policy column. So I'm going to paste the link right here. All right, so that one is fixed. I'm going to save it right now. I'm going to click on save. All right, they say your changes have been saved. So I'm going to go back, click on that back button. Now I'm going to click on app access. So here, all functions is available without special access. All or some functions is restricted. Nothing is restricted. So we are going to click on all functions is available without specific special access. And we are going to click on save. All right, that one is saved. So the next thing is we are going to click on what? We are going to click on back button. So we go back again. All right, so the next thing we are doing is art. We are clicking on art. So we click on art right here. All right, so yes, my app contains art because we are using art. So we click on yes, my art contains art. So after doing that, we save again. All right, so we go back again. 3 of 10 complete. So content rating, we click on content rating. So start questionnaire, receive ratings for your app. So this is where we are going to be receiving messages for app ratings and all that. Don't worry, I will still teach us how to generate ratings for our app, how to get reviews for our app. Don't worry, it's not going to be a problem. Don't worry, your app will get review. All right, it's not necessary though, but it's good. It has reviews. So the category games, no, social or communication, or all other app types. Let's just click all other app types. If your app is game, you can click game, but my own is not game. The app I'm uploading is not like that. So I click all other app types, then I go back. Oh, sorry, I did not save. Stay. So I save it. I click on next. This space is next. So under that, They said downloaded app. Does this app contain any rating relevant, e.g. sex? No, 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 no. It doesn't contain anything of such. User content. Does the app natively allow users to interact or exchange content with other users through voice? No, no. So online content, does any feature or promote content that isn't part of initial app? No, no, it doesn't promote anything of such. Promotion or sale of age restriction products or activities. Does the app focus on promoting or selling items or activities that are technically age restricted? No, no. All right, so the next one, does the app share the user's current and precise physical location with other users? No, no. Hey, this now started again. So just click no, just check the review and know what you're answering based on the type of app you want to upload. Yeah, if your app is a news app, click indicate you're uploading a news app. And if you're uploading a news app, I will actually advise you to also go on PlayStore and check how to upload news app on Google Play Store, on Google Console. Yeah, so that you know if there is any other policies or any other things that you're supposed to add to your news app. So immediately you finish with everything, you're going to click on save. You're going to click on save. You're going to click on save, and questionnaire has been saved, and you can see. So just click according to your own. Then I'm going to go on next. I'm going to go on next right now. All right, so your ratings. So everything here, everything has been updated. You can see it here. So everything has been updated. Everything has been ticked and ticked. So I'm going to click on submit. I'm going to click on submit right here. I'm going to click on submit. All right, questionnaire saved. Questionnaire saved. So the next thing is to go back again. Go back again. Target audience. We click on target audience. Our audience can be 13 to 15, 16 to 17 and above, but for me I'm clicking 18 and over. The reason I'm clicking 18 and over is because if you click 13 to 15, 16 to 17, they'll be asking me more some questions and all that. So I don't have strength. I don't have appetite. I don't have time. So I just click 18 and over, and I will click on next. All right, can you stop listening unintentionally appeal to children? Can you stop listening? Okay. Now this is what I'm talking about. Appeal to children. So this is what I'm talking about. If you click, what's this called now? Or say this place, I will just click on no. No. All right. For the purpose of those of us that want to target 13 and above. So I'm going to go back right now. Just because of us. So I'm going to click on 13 to 15, 16 to 17. Yeah. So you can see that all this did not pop up initially, but now they popped up. So we are going to click on next right now. So I'm going to click on yes. Then I'll click on next. All right. So you can see all these things now. Your app is not enrolled in the Designed for Families program and all those things. So now I can click on what? I can click on save. So after clicking on save, I go back as usual. So I click on news app, but this one is not a news app. So is your app a news app? No. But if you click yes, they'll be asking for what is called provide information to help us verify your credentials as a news publisher. Explain how you source the news content that is shown in your app. So in case you are clicking yes for this, you can just check online and to know how to fill this. You can check online to know how to fill this, or you just click on no, or maybe you just click on no and but it's better you click on yes. When you click on yes, you check online to know how you can fit that column. Then I click on save. This one is not a news app, so I click on save. All right, so after clicking on save, I go back again. Then we can see COVID-19 this. We click on COVID-19 stuff. So yeah, I just click my app is not publicly available on COVID-19 contact tracing or status. Yeah. So after ticking that, I click on save. Then I go back again. You know where I go back now? I don't need to be. So data safety. All right, help users understand how your app collects and share their data and all that. So my app does not collect or share data. Answer your questions about each of user data and all that. Start. So my app does not collect user data. So I click on next here. All right, so the data collection and security. Does your app collect or share any of the required user data types? No. All right, is your app currently certified by authorized lab according to the mobile application security assessment and framework and all that? So all right, so we click next here. All right, so they're asking you a question here. Does your app collect or share any of the required user data types? No. It's okay. No. So they said is your app currently certified by an authorized lab according to the mobile blah blah blah. No, 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 no. All right, so we click on next. We click on next. All right, so we can see for this place everything is set. So we click on save. We click on save down here. So we go back. We go back. It's saved now. We go back to dashboard. All right, so what's left for us are these two things. So what left for us are these two things. So this says select an app category and provide contact details. So we click on it. All right, app or game, it is app, so no need to bother. You can see it is app. Category, it should be sports. Okay, weather, video player, travel, sports. Okay, you can see sports there. All right, so manage tags. So for sports, what are the tags that we are going to be using? Okay, inside the app we have baseball there. Let's travel. Let me pause. So I'm just going to click on, we can see related tags here. So I'm just going to click on any tag that has sports in front. And please be aware that you can only add up to 5. You can only add up to 5 category. All right, I've clicked the categories my app fall under. I've clicked some sports under that, so I'm going to click on apply. So those are going to serve as my words. They are going to serve as my app category and my tags rather. All right, so the next thing is store listing contact details. This information is shown to users on Google Play Store. So I'm going to use the same email that I used on my privacy policy, which is omikeonline@gmail.com. All right, so I'm going to provide my phone number here. All right, I've input my website and everything I needed to input, and I'm going to click on advertise my app outside Play Store. We all need that 93 something. Then I save. I click on save right here. So I will click on all apps. To go back to the previous page. All right, so everything is set up. So after going back to previous page, clicking on all apps, everything is set up. So let me check it again. I want to click on it to check again. So we've not set up our app listing, so we are going to click on set up app listing now. All right, so setting up our app listing, the app name, everything is there. Now the short description. Let me show an example of the short description. Now this is Play Store. Let me click on this one. All right, so the short, what is it called? All right, first of all, you can come to YouTube and search for this video. Yeah, this lady has more sense, so she has more sense, so you can just borrow from her sense so that you understand more about that. So about short description, it should be something that is captivating, something that we actually show what your app is about within with just few words, and it's most of the time it appears here. You can see this live score. Let me click on this. You can see this live score limited. Many people use their company name instead of using the main short description, but majorly this is where the short description will appear. Yeah, we are still coming to this screenshot anyway, but let's proceed. And again, you can spy on your competitors. You can spy on your competitors. You are not meant to use what other people use. You are not meant to do copy and paste. If you do that, they will not accept your app. They will not, because they are going to review your app, so they will not accept your app. So all these people now can be considered as my competitors. So I can just click on, let me say, this live score here, or let me click on this live score, the first one. All right, you can see they are about this app. So I can spy on this about their app and just maybe somewhere rewrite what they've written and just repost it. But it must not be word for word. It must not be word for words. So let me go back to our setup. So for the short description, I can say, okay, this is about football videos and live score, right? So I can say football, all sports, live streams, and live scores. I think that's hot enough, right? All sports. Where is this thing now? So we can say all sports, live streams, and live scores. All right, so mine is going to be all sports, live streaming, live scores, highlights and odds. So I will just replicate. I just write short or long words on that here. Yeah, first of all, let me copy this thing because I don't understand what my browser is doing. All right, so I'm going to click on the long description right now. Now for the long description, I'm just going to write small thing about the app. Note that when you're writing your short description, don't write something like the best download now. All those kind of things. Don't write it. Just give simple description of your app. Yeah, on your short description and your long description. Don't write this is the best this is the best that. Don't do that. If not, it may not be accepted. Your app may not be approved. All right, so now I'm going to write long description. It will not be long. I just write something simple. So what I did is just to come to my app and I select all, and I copy everything. So after copying them, I come to my notes. Here. I paste everything here. So I just copy this, all the spots that it handles, all the spots that are here, that are there on the app. So I just cut them out. So after cutting them out, so these are the spots. So I'm going to create a small or a short keyword around these spots. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do right now. All right, so I've written the short description I want to use: football, this and that. You can download it on PlayStore so that you understand more. Download it on PlayStore. All right, so let me copy it right now. Select all, and copy. So let me pin it. So I'm here right now. So I'm going to paste it here. All right, so it's 4,000 words, but I've only used 706 words, which is not bad. So the next thing is app icon. And if you check the app icon right here, you can see the dimension of the app icon: 512 by 512. That is the pixel for app icon. If you install something that is not 512 by 512, they will not accept it. So to create your app icon, the fastest way is to use app icon. Is going to be what other people will see when they search your app on Play Store. So you can easily use Canva to create your app icon. So when you come to canva.com, you can just search here and click on search app icon. So when you search, let me log in. So when you search app icon, so when you come to Canva, you can just search app icon. So when you search app icon, you will see something that is related to what you want to build, what you want to create. Okay, it's taking me to Canva app. All right, so you've seen different icons here. So you can just, well, I use Canva Pro, but it's not necessary you use Canva Pro. If you want to have access to Canva Pro, just let me know. I can do business with you. I can do business with you. You just have 10K. Don't worry, I will give you Canva Pro. I will give you my Canva Pro for you to use lifetime. So now that's by the way. So you can easily click any of the icons available, just edit. It depends on what you want, or you just look for a professional to do it for you. So just click create your icon. I think this is already 512 by 512. All right, you can easily edit it. I'm not touching anything because I'm not creating any icon, so you can easily edit it. So if you come here, you can click on resize. You can resize it. Here is the resize. So when you are done with all your editing, just upload, just download, or you. So let me go back. I've already created mine, so let me go back. Let me go back to what I've created and select. So I click on upload here. I click on upload. So I click on upload. So I choose from local. All right, I've selected it right now. I've selected it. It's loading. So guys, you can see that it's now uploaded. It's uploaded. If you are finding it difficult to create your icon, okay, let me suggest a video for you. Look at this video here. Learn how to build a eye-catching Android app icons. You can see this. You can see it without using Photoshop. So it's Canva tutorial that the guy used. It's Canva tutorial. So I just decided to look for it so that I will not create a too long video for us. But if you are finding it difficult to do it even after watching this video, then you can come back to me. I will teach you. But just know that it may take time. I will not collect anything from you, but it may take time. But don't worry, I will teach you. So now that our icon has been uploaded, let's upload the other things. But first of all, let me save before I continue. Okay, your changes could not be saved. Okay, I know why. Let me continue. Now, if you look at this place, they said upload a feature graphic, and it is what 1024 by 500. 1024 by 500. Okay, let me just use this one to teach us how to go about all these things. Let me use this one to teach us. Don't forget 1024 by 500. So this is the icon that I just created. Now I want to create what's it called? I want to create for that. So you come to custom size. Okay, let it come back to home. Let's come back to home. Okay, now you come to custom size. You come to custom size. All right, so let me just create this right now. So click on this arrow. Click on this menu here. So when you click on it, you are going to see custom size. You can see custom size here. So click on custom size. Now we are going to input the custom size. That is 1024 by what again, sir? By 500, right? Let's confirm it, guys. Let's confirm it. Where's my eyes? 1024 by 500. Yes, that's it. So it's 1024 by 500. Then you click on create new design. Then you're going to get your You're going to get your template. So from here, you can now create whatever thing you want to create. And another way to do this is you can actually search. You can search for a template. You can search for a template. Okay, they've already brought menu for us, option for us to search for template. So you can just search for any template, anything you want to create around here. So I can just search for sports. Let me search for sports. Let me search for sports. So these are templates for sports. So I can just create something around this template. I can just create something around this template. Let me choose which one should I use among these two. Which one? Okay, I'm going to be using this one. The reason why I'm using this one is because actually that will not be a good color combination, but notwithstanding, this is for tutorial purpose. So because this thing has some images, it has some images that actually suits all sports. So I'm going to be using this. Yeah, I'm using Canva Pro, so it will not be a problem. It will not be a problem. So I'm using this, guys. So I've already clicked on it. All right, so it fits in into my template, and I can now design and create something around this. So it's as simple as that. You can select each of these objects. You can edit them, you can remove them, you can do anything. So even this one, you can do anything on them. You can see, so you can do anything. You can change all these things. You can change the background or change anything you want to change. All right, so I've this this is the worst design I ever made, but my bag got a bit on it. So this is all I want to use. So I just want to upload right now. I want to download it right now. So I click on download, and you can see it is 1024 by 500, and that's what it's going to give us. Then I click on download. All right, so that's it. I'm going to upload it right now. You can see it's very simple. If you use Canva, it is very, very simple. It is very simple. And that's it, guys. So that's it. So I'm going to upload the banner right here. I'm going to upload the banner right here. All right, you can see the banner right here. You can see the banner right here. So I'm going to click on the banner right here, and I'm going to upload it, and it should be fit because we measured it before. It's accepted. If it's not fit, it's not going to accept it. So let's go and let's continue with the video. So if you have any video to describe, your what is it called, to describe your what is this called again, your app, to describe your app. If you have any video to describe your app, so you can just upload the video on YouTube, upload it on YouTube. So after uploading it on YouTube, just make sure that it is unlisted. Make sure it is unlisted. If you have a YouTube channel, make sure it is unlisted. So you can see the instruction here. Then you can paste the link right here. But it's not compulsory. That's why it's not started. So I'm not going to do any of that. So now the next thing is screenshot. This place is very important. It's an important thing. So you can see the instruction for okay, sorry, I forgot to tell us, in case you are using what is it called. Okay, don't worry. So you can see the screenshot here. So just upload. You can see the screenshot here. They said upload 2 to 8 phone screenshots. So there are and you can see the dimension of the screenshot, 320 by 3840. And you can see everything. So you can see the aspect ratio, and it's up to 8 megabytes each. So now there are ways of uploading screenshots on Google Play Store. We have the professional ways of uploading screenshots, and we have the random ways of uploading screenshots. I'm going to show us the two. All right, you can see this is the app right here. So you can see the interface of the app. I will just screenshot important places that are attractive, like live score. So on this live score, based on the time I'm making this video, the season has not opened, but notwithstanding, I can screenshot. You can see some important matches like this. So I can just screenshot some important matches like this, so that it will reflect what we are doing. So now this one is football, and this is tennis. So I should be able to cover at least some of the some of the sports on my screenshot, and also some important segments of my app that I know, okay, it's going to be attractive when people check the screenshot on Play Store. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. So I've created my screenshot right now. You can see the screenshot right here. But if you want to create the professional way I was talking about, just watch this video. I want to recommend. Just watch this video here. And the result you're going to get is you'll be able to create your screenshot in this manner, just like this. You can see this kind of screenshots. You can see how it entered each other, like it looks more professional, something like this. So if you want to create, that's when you can watch that tutorial. But I'm not going to be going through all that. Or you can use your Canva to create your screenshot. You can use your Canva to create your screenshot, guys. So look at the name again, so that you can just search. You can search it on YouTube. You can search it on YouTube. All right, so the thing I'm going to be using is Canva. I'm going to be using Canva to create my screenshot. So I come to Canva, I search screenshots, and they're going to be giving me different templates to use, guys. So you can see. So I click on see all templates. So I'm going to be selecting the template I want to use right here. So I'm going to look for a very good template. I think I love this template right here. I love this template. So I'm going to be selecting the template I want to use. So I'm going to be using this one here. So you can see, let me just set it up so that everything will be cool. I can easily edit all these things. I can adjust this one. I can adjust this one. and just drag it up. I can drag this one up, you see. So I'm going to be importing my template right here. I'm going to be importing my template. My screenshot rather, I'm going to be importing my screenshots. All right, so I want to teach you guys one trick that I discovered right now. If you look at this dimension, it's different from what I showed us earlier. Yeah, so I just went to my screenshots. So I came to my phone screenshot because my phone screenshot actually full out the screen, and this used to be very beautiful. So I just click on info, photo info right here. So that's why I got the resolution that I use, the dimension that I use. So I just went to the custom Canva custom. So I input this resolution there. So after inputting the resolution, I just change my template. I just import a template. So I use the same template. So using this, now this is what I'm going to use for all my screenshots. What I'm going to do right now is just to click here. To click here to get this time, I must make sure that no element is clicked here. So it's going to take me to this menu. So I'm going to click here. So after clicking here, I'm going to duplicate this right here. Duplicate. I'm going to click on duplicate, so that I will not need to be doing the same thing all over again. I will not need to be doing the same thing all over again. All right, so because we are expected to provide 8 screenshots, so I'm going to edit this right now. I'm going to edit this right now. So what I'm going to do is to import my screenshots, upload. So after clicking upload, I import one earlier, but I'm going to import another one. So I've selected all the screenshots I want to use, so I'm going to click on select to import all the 10 screenshots. So I've imported the screenshots I want to use right now. So I'm going to start from the first one. It's not going to be the first one. It's going to be the first one. So just watch me do these things. Watch me do these things. You can see it fits to screen straight away. It fits to what? To screen straight away. So I can just put something here. I can put something here. All right. So this is the first one. First one is done. So I'm going to do the remaining ones right now. So it's very simple. It's very easy. I will just click on this one. So if I've already duplicated, then I click on this cancel here. Excuse me. So now I'm going to import the picture I want to use. I used this one the other time, so I'm going to use this one now. So I just click on it. So once I click on it, I click to expand it, and it's going to fit in by itself. You see, it just fits in by itself, and that's all. So if I want to add any text to the one on top, I can easily add any text, guys. All right, I can see this one is done, so I will do the remaining one. So guys, I'm done with everything. I'm going to download everything right now. So guys, this is how it looks on my phone. So anyone that is viewing this, these are they are going to see, these are they are going to be. You can see it's very beautiful. It folds all the phone screen, it folds everything. And I think there is a glitch here. There's a glitch here, but no, I'm not ready to edit anything. I will not lie to you. So guys, I've actually corrected it. I've changed it. I'm a perfectionist, so I won't be comfortable seeing it like that. So everything has been changed. So let us upload this right now. All right, now I want to upload our screenshots. I hope these people will not give me story. Hope they not give me story like the first time. All right, so I want to upload my screenshots right now. All right, so I've selected my screenshots. Let's see if they're going to be accepted. All right, yeah, that's it, guys. That's it. That's it, guys. That's it. Accepted. Now let's move to the next one. Now they said we should upload tablets, 7-inch tablet screenshot and 10-inch tablet screenshot. What? Why? On top waiting. Okay, so guys, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through everything. Because if you click save here, if I click save here, they will refer me. See, your changes couldn't be saved, and it's couldn't be saved because of what? Because of all these things. All right. Okay, I've not actually input anything here. So if I click save here, the save will not. Oh guys, it's saved. It's saved, guys. So that means we can actually ignore these tablets and everything because it's saved. If it's not going to work out, they will not. So I'm just going to ignore all these tablets, and I'm not doing anything tablets. So we have few people using tablets. So now that means we are good to go to the next one. We are good to go to the next one. Now let's go to the next one, guys. Let's go to the next one. So we are going to click on back. We're going to back. Okay, sorry, I switched my screen to desktop view screen. So that's why I'm seeing it in form of desktop view format. So I'm going to click on the next thing right here. Let me just switch back because many of us will be using mobile. So let me switch back to mobile format, guys. Let me switch back to mobile format. If you check here, you see that this icon has been changed. You see that it has changed. Yeah, that's how it's going to appear on Play Store when we are accepted. So then now the next thing is to click on custom store listing. So I click on custom store listings right here. So I create custom store listing. I click on create custom store listing. Now your custom store listing is going to be. So I click on all apps. I return to all apps right here. So I return to all apps, and this is our app. So we can see our app here. Now we want to continue with our settings. I click on our app. All right, guys. So after landing here, you're going to scroll down. Because we've done the major things now. So we want to publish it on Play Store. So you see, you come to publish your app on Google Play Store. View task. So select countries and regions, guys. So you select your countries, the countries you want to cover, and regions. All right, so add country slash regions. So we're going to be adding all the countries. We're going to be adding all the countries. So you just click on the add icon. You just click on tick this one. Then go to add everything. That you click on what? You click on continue. Add. All right, so all the countries have been added because we need we need money from all angles, you know, guys. All right, so all the countries have been added. All the countries have been added right away. You can see that. All right, so the next thing is we are going to come up here and create. Click on create new release. We are going to click on create new release. Create new release right here. So this is where we are going to upload. This is where we are going to upload our AAB file, the AAB file of our app. All right. All right, so we come right here. You can see upload AAB file. So it's going to be .aab. So for those of you that I sent the first app, you are going to be having your AAB file. The AAB file we are uploading is to be end with .aab, and you can actually yeah, this is where the thing comes. This is where what I told us initially about having, if you already have the same package name on your Play Store. So if you already have the same package name, so that means your app name will be different from the one on Play Store. So I expected you to have changed your app name, and you are also going to change your AAB name. Yeah, maybe it's going to give you a positive response. So we are going to add it from library, or we are going to upload it rather. We are going to upload it right now. So this is the file here. So I'm going to rename the file. This is the APK and this is the AAB file. So I'm going to rename the AAB file now. I'm going to rename the AAB file. And if I'm not going to be renaming it, I just have to make sure I know the number, which is 97174. It's almost the same number with the main APK 97174. So let me go and upload it right now. So I'm going to click on upload. I'm going to click on upload. So I'm going to locate the file. I'm going to locate the file. All right, this is the file right here. This is the file right here. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click on it. It takes a few minutes to upload, guys. One app bundle uploaded. So it has been uploaded right now, guys. It has been uploaded. So now moving to the next thing. You can see, guys, it's not it's not small thing, yeah. All right, so let me give a release name. Let me give a release name. It's not necessary though. This one is not necessary. Football videos and live score app. All right. So after that, I'm going to save. I'm going to click on save. This one, well, it's not compulsory. All these ones are not compulsory. They're not compulsory. Just okay. So I'm going to click on save right now. All right. So the next thing is to click on review release. All right. So you say we find some problems with your release, you know. So all those things are not they are not necessary. They are not necessary. All you have to do is just click on start rollouts to production for your app to be reviewed. So now we are going to click on start rollouts to production, which is the final stage. Click on it right now. Rollout, this will be available to all users on Google Play Store in your chosen country, and we click on rollout. So now they're going to review our app. They're going to review our app. So once it's reviewed, once it's accepted, it's going to be available on Google Play Store. It's going to be available on Google Play Store, guys. So now if we click on dashboard, it will bring us to this area. Yeah, and we can see status, update status in review. So once it's activated, once it's available, we are going to see this app, this beautiful app on Play Store, guys. Guys, I've been busy. It took me 3 to 4 days to put this thing together. If you follow up with the time, like the timer up here, you understand. And again, I have to switch browser because I'm trying to make sure people that are already banned will not be banned again. So I'm trying to put things together so that there won't be any problem. All right, guys. So that's by the way. So let's see. And majorly, if it's a new release, if it's a first release, just like this account now, it's a fresh account. So fresh release used to take maximum 5 days. So but if it's a new release, like a consistent or constant release, it's used to within 24 hours or 48 hours, it's going to be reviewed. But notwithstanding, let's see how many hours. It doesn't mean our one will not be different. So let's see how many hours it's going to take them to review this app, guys. I want to teach us something. But let's see how it goes. That's going to be I don't know. I'm thinking about giving my Canva Pro for free so that you guys can be able to use it. The Canva Pro for free, so that you guys don't need to use money and register Canva. But if you already have a Pro Canva, no problem. But I'm thinking about releasing a special video for you, my students, to be able to use Canva Pro for free so that I can design your your icon and your screenshots and all that and all that. By the special grace of God, let's see how it goes. If you need it, just message me. So now we can see it has been accepted. It is now active. It is now active, and we have 67 active devices already. Yeah. So let us click on view on Play Store. If your app has not been accepted, once you click view on Play Store on Google Play, you will not see anything. But once it's accepted, it's going to reflect. It's going to what? It's going to reflect, and we can see it here. We can see it here. So everything is what? Everything is active. Everything is active. So we can see 100 plus downloads already. I'm going to teach us something about this 100 plus downloads. There is another secret to 100 plus downloads. There are ways that Google display 100 plus download, because we have some that are 0 plus downloads, we have some that are 100 plus downloads, we have some that are 500 plus, we have some that are 1000 plus. So I'm going to teach us secrets to all these things. So this is our app, and we can easily search it on bar, and when we scroll down, we are going to see it somewhere around here. So somewhere around here. If your app has not gotten 100 plus downloads, you will not see your app around this area, guys. You will not see your app around this area. Even if you search your keyword, you will not see it there. So that is it. That is it. That is it. Once you subscribe to my Admob to Wealth mentorship, you will have full knowledge on how to generate traffic and how to make real cash, cool cash, guys. All right, guys. This is your guy, Oluwafemi Market, your #1 online entrepreneur. See you. Catch ya, guys.